Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to change the system product name that appears on the settings homepage in Windows 11. This is their name shown under the device name, and you can customize it using a simple registry tweak. So let's get started. First, press Windows plus R key on the keyboard to open Run dialog box. Now type Regedit and click on the OK button. In case user accounts prompts, click on the Yes button. Now you need to navigate through hotkey local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, OEM information. Otherwise, you can copy and paste this one path from this one video description. After that, press enter on the keyboard. It will take you up to OEM information key in the left sidebar. On the right sidebar, you will find model string. Double click on them and name it whatever you want, such as GearUpWindows, and then click on the OK button. Now close the Registry Editor, restart your computer, or sign in and sign out and sign in back to check it. You should see your updated system product name. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows 11 and 10 tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.